YouTube, what's going on? My name is Austyn Hustles, and today we're going to talk about some things that you can do as an entrepreneur during this whole coronavirus quarantine. So yeah, don't roast me. My last 3 videos have been about the coronavirus and just stuff relating to that. But I can't really film any other videos. Can't go garage sailing because no one wants to go outside. Can't do any vending videos because all the businesses are closed. I can't do that many Amazon videos because, well, Amazon stopped accepting FBA shipments, and I can't get any more product from my suppliers because they are closed as well. So here I am, just making the most of what I got. Alright, so the first thing that you can do as an entrepreneur, if you are stuck in your house, especially if you are an eBay reseller, you probably have a death pile. This can either be stuff that you got at garage sales, or you got for free, or you just laying around the house that you always wanted to list, or stuff that didn't sell, so you kind of just threw it to the side. I have a good amount of this stuff, especially here on the shelf. Some of the stuff, the listings ended for those, and I have to relist it, but I was just too lazy to relist them. I'm going to go ahead and list all of those, especially right down here. We got a bunch of books that I need to list up on eBay as sets and stuff like that I never actually got around to, but now since I have pretty much all the time in the world, I can do all of that right now. You're probably thinking, oh, not everyone sells on eBay. Well, it's a good time to start. I mean, you got nothing else to do. Go around your house, find some stuff. I know that there's a Wii Rock Band drum set in my living room. I'm probably gonna go take that out and list it up on eBay, just because can't really go sourcing. I can't get anything else. Just gotta sell what's around the house. And I really need to get this stuff listed because at the moment I'll probably have zero cash flow. Probably a little bit coming in from Amazon if my shipment makes it all the way through. But again, they were stopping shipment and stuff like that. So I need another form of cash flow. My vending machines aren't gonna be making any money. I can't add any more things onto eBay. So I gotta just add this stuff here. My vending machines aren't going to make any money. I can't go sourcing for new items on eBay, so I just got to add the stuff right here. Along with that, Amazon, I probably won't be making a lot of money because I can't add more stuff as well. We just got to make do with what we got. We need to get the cash from this and then basically just use that money to keep the rest of our businesses alive. Like for Amazon, I got to pay rent on my storage unit. I want the money all from eBay to pay off the storage unit and the Amazon fees that I have to pay monthly, because if I don't, then I'll just be losing money when I wasn't actually expecting to lose that money. Alright, now the second thing you can do being an entrepreneur trapped in your house is optimize all of your previous listings. Now, what I have here back on the shelf is a lot of listings, and a lot of them have been sitting for months. I'm going to go through all of them, take them all off the shelf, put them in a line, go into my closet, take the pictures, relist them one by one with new pictures, better descriptions, better titles, so I can make sure all of these sell. And also, when I say optimize your listings, I mean make everything more efficient as well. After I go ahead and list these, I'm going to get them packaged, and I'm going to have some sort of number system that I'm going to work out there, and then I'm going to have basically just everything packaged right behind me, as long as it's not super big like that little model truck right there. I'm going to have everything packaged in poly mailers, ready to get shipped off right when there's a purchase, because I know from experience that when I get a purchase, I take a long time to actually package an item, print on the shipping label, all that. I have a bunch of free time right now. I'm just going to get everything packaged up so that when it does eventually sell, I've got to slap on a label, close the poly mailer, and I'm good to go. Work on making your systems more efficient and optimize everything for quicker sales. That's what I'm about to do when I turn off this camera. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and bring you guys right now. Let me show you the little listing closet we got going right now. So here's what I wanted to take a new picture of first. This little Panasonic camera. Move all that. Oh, I can sell this. Got a little Panasonic camera right here. Chilling. We need to make better pictures for this because you can see the lighting. It's a little bit yellow here, so all the pictures end up with a yellow background. I'm just going to go on my phone and I'm just going to turn up the exposure of the picture. Makes the background white. It doesn't look too bad, but we're just going to go ahead and do that to every single picture, and we're going to relist every single item. So we're going to go ahead and relist this little VHS camcorder right here. Bam, got that. And that is a lot better of a picture than what we had previously. So I was going to make a little example and pack up some of these lots to show you guys, but it appears that I don't have big enough poly mailers, so I'm going on Amazon right now and buying 100 large poly mailers for like 14 bucks. Just because the ones I have are pretty small. They're 10 by 13 somewhere right there. Those are only 10 by 13s. So I'm buying 14s by 19s right now. And that should be able to fit all of these, I believe. For example, this Harley Davidson thing that we just took pictures of, we're going to throw this right in this padded poly mailer. And now, once this one gets a purchase, it's already going to be packaged. We just got to take it out, shipping label on, and we're good. Alright, but now that we have all of that, let's talk about the final thing that you can be doing with your time as an entrepreneur locked up in self-quarantine. And this number one thing, I think it is especially important to do this right now, and that is post on social media, whether that be TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, whatever. I know that during this little Corona break, Corona-cation, I'm going to be posting a lot on TikTok. I want to eventually get to 5 posts a day on a consistent schedule. So far, I got like 3 posts today, and I'm scheduling out a few days forward, but we need to post as entrepreneurs. We need to put our stuff on social media platforms. If the economy collapses and you lose all your money, there's only one thing that you get to keep with you, and that is your connections and your network. You need to build a social proof so that if there is a collapse, and God forbid, you do lose all of your money, you still have this amazing network of people that can help you bring your way back up, and you can just bounce off ideas with them. Not to mention, having a big following that's interactive and engages is amazing for any business. And that's why you gotta start posting right now, especially on Corona-cation, when everyone is gonna be on their phones because they have nothing else to do. They can't really go outside. All the attention is on their smartphones, so you just have to get on there. Post on TikTok, a lot of free traffic. Post on YouTube as a documentary, shout it out, get stuff like that. Post on your Instagram, because everyone's gonna be watching. Good luck to all of you guys. We can make it out of this together. Let's go. Hopefully you guys have an amazing day. If you enjoy this type of content, please go ahead and subscribe right down here to the left of me. I got some of my older videos. Please go ahead and check them out. But anyway, my name is Austyn Hustles. I'm going to go ahead and tear down this shelf, list everything back on here. Hope you guys have an amazing day. I'm out. Later.